Gently move the head from side to side. This will loosen up any tension in the neck. Repeat this 4 times in total, 2 on each side. Bring chin to chest and then look upwards. Try not to let the neck fall backwards though. Repeat this 4 times. Place hands on shoulders and rotate the shoulder joint round. Try and get the elbows to meet in the middle. 3 rotations forwards and 3 rotations backwards. This will warm up the whole of the shoulder girdle. Breathe steadily throughout the movement. Upper spinal twist. Gently move round to the right and left. Try to keep your hips as still as possible, so it's just an upper spinal twist. This will release any tension that you've got along your back, and it will also just warm through the rib area. You can see it from the side here. We're trying to keep the pelvis as still as possible and just make it about the upper body. Oblique slides. Slide your hand down your thigh and alternate from side to side, about 4 in total. As you move upwards, contract the tummy muscles, predominantly the obliques on the side, to warm through the abs. Hip mobilization. Take the leg out to the side in this bent position to have a little stretch. Then start circling the legs back 3 times and then rotate them forwards 3 times. Draw the tummy in gently on the out breath. Here is an alternative to the hip circles. So if you have any pelvic girdle pain, I recommend that you do the gentle swaying forwards and backwards of a bent leg. Use your core muscles to keep you up straight to prevent you leaning forwards too much. Ankle rotations. Simply rotate the ankle 3 times anti-clockwise and 3 times clockwise and repeat on the other leg. Side neck stretch. Gently draw ear to shoulder. Take the opposite arm, so the arm that's straight, draw that away from your ears. So really pull that down to get a nice long stretch in the neck. Back of the neck stretch. Bring chin to chest and place your hands gently on the back of the head, guiding the head downwards. Take some nice deep breaths and enjoy this for around 20 seconds. Shoulder stretch. Take one straight arm across your chest, drawing it in with the other arm. Don't hold on to the joint itself. Try and draw the shoulder away from the ear. Tricep stretch. Take your hand up and over your shoulder. Use the other hand as a guide to gently push into the muscle, avoiding the elbow joint. Here is a view of the tricep stretch from the back. Some people like to place their hand on the muscle to guide it further back. Others like to interlink their fingers or as close as you can from the back there. You may find one side is more flexible. The chest stretch. Place your hands into the small of your back and gently press the chest forwards. Bring shoulders away from ears and bring tummy gently in. An alternative chest stretch is to interlink the hands behind and take the arms up nice and straight. Just be careful not to lock the elbows out and draw those shoulders away from ears. Upper back stretch. Take the arms straight out in front of you and press them away from you, rounding that upper back so you get a nice stretch along the shoulder blades. Quad stretch. Take hold of your ankle. Use your core muscles to keep you balanced or hold onto a chair or wall. Try and keep the knees close together. Keep the pelvis nice and forward so it's not twisted. As you can see from this side view, Hazel's knees are together and she's gently drawing the foot towards the bum. Standing glute or bum stretch. Make sure that in this bent position, the foot is not leaning on the kneecap of the bending leg. When you're down in this bent position, you can hold a wall if you prefer, or really work on those core muscles to keep you up. Bum is back and you should feel a slight stretch in the outer thigh. Inner thigh stretch. Take your legs nice and wide, bend down over one leg and you should feel the stretch on the inner thigh of the straight leg. Hamstring stretch. Straighten one leg out and lean into the bent leg. Don't put pressure on the knee itself though. Draw the toes up of that straight leg. Big thanks to Hazel, one of Healthy Beginnings Fitness clients, and mum to Austin for taking part in this demo.